Okay, entonces, language explorers, vamos a ver cosas, stuff, en la cocina, kitchen, uno. Cosas en la cocina. So, grater, rallador, grater, and peeler, pelador, muy bien. Whisk, batidor, muy bien. And chopping board, so it's tableta de cortar, muy bien. Scissors, tijeras, muy bien. Scissors. Let's try. There we are. Scissors. Oh, let's have that one. I'll do better. Scissors. Very good. Tin opener. So lata abierta. And abre botellas. So bottle opener. And corkscrew. So saca corchos. Let's try and get a cork. Yeah, corkscrew, yeah, more or less. Yeah, there we are. Open the cork. Yeah, right there, the corkscrew. Yeah. And wooden spoon, so cuchara de madera. Wooden spoon. Let's try and get spoon, maybe. Spoon, not quite. That's a spoon. That's a cuchara. Para más tarde. Muy bien. Cuchara, that's different. Spatula. Very similar. Spatula. Okay, yeah, right. Ladle. Cucharon. Oh, very good. Ladle. Maybe this one. No, okay, we're good. No, okay, ladle. And toaster. Tostador. Toaster. Oh wow, really? No, toaster. Okay, all right. Tostador. Mojito. Now microwave. Microondas. Okay, let's get a picture of a microwave. Okay, no microwave. Right then, okay. And kettle. Let's see, kettle. Hervidor para agua caliente. Oh wow, no kettle. Okay, right. And plate, plato. Bowl. Very similar. Plate. Very good. And bowl. Bowl. Here we are. Let's have that one. Very good. Oh yeah, perfect. Very nice. Bowl. And taza, cup, and mug. There's slight difference. So cup is more like this. Yeah, cup. Very good. And mug is slightly different. Mug is more like that in a way. Mug. It's like different material. Material differente. Like cup. Like for glass. And mug, more ceramic. Just different. And knife, cuchillo. Knife, let's have a look here. So knife. Oops, move that. Knife. And tenedor. Fork. Tenedor. Nice. And chopsticks. Palillos. Here we are, chopsticks. Very good. Necesito usar palillos correcto. Palillos. Very good. Yeah. How cool is that? So grater, peeler, whisk, chopping board, scissors, tin opener. Try and get a tin. Here we are. To open the tin. Here it is, a tin. Tin. Bottle opener. Corkscrew. Wooden spoon. Spatula. Ladle. Toaster. Microwave. Kettle. Plate. Bowl. Cup. Mug. Knife. Spoon. Fork. Tenedor. Chopsticks. Palillos. Okay, why? So, tú puedes seguirme en YouTube, Facebook y Telegram. También puedes encontrarme en Udemy con más clases de inglés para ti. Yeah. Qué guay. Vamos a continuar explorando.